Welcome to aminacademy.com and Cambridge International AS and A-level mathematics regarding algebra on factor and remind theorem. Let us do some following problems. Look at this example. Here, f of x, the function, is given as x cube minus 19x plus 30. Calculate f of 0 and f of 0 and f of 3. First, f of 0 equal 0 cube minus 19 into 0 plus 30, which is equal 30. Then f of 3 equal 3 cube minus 19 into 3 plus 30, which is equal 27 minus 57 plus 30, which is equal to 0. Then we got f of 0, f of 3. Hence, write down the factor of f of x. Here, by factor theorem, and remain, here we got the remainder is 0 as well as in remainder theorem. F of 3 equals 0, then we can say x minus 3 is a and remainder. Remainder x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. Then let the first part finish. Then look at this second part of that question. Find p and q such that f of x is given as x minus 2 into x square plus px plus q. F of x is given as x minus 2 x square plus px plus q. Already the original f of x is given as x cube minus 19x plus 30. You have to compare both f of x here. Then x into x is x cube plus px square, x into q is qx, minus 2x square minus 2px minus 2q. Comparing with the given f of x is, before that we have to factorize here that x cube plus x square into p, that means collecting px square and minus 2x square, that is p minus 2, with x is q minus 2p minus 2q. Then with comparing the original f of x, which is equal x cube minus 19x square plus 30. Look at this, both f of x. F of x is here, this, that f of x given is this. Then comparing x cube, then comparing x square. Comparing x square is p minus 2 is 19. P minus 2 equal minus 19. Then p minus 2 is 9. Here p minus 2 is 0 because here x square term p minus 2, there is no x square, here x it is. P minus 2 equal, here x square term is not there in original f of x, therefore it is 0. From that p equal to 2. Comparing x term, here x term is q minus 2p. Q minus 2p equal minus 19. Already p we got as 2. Substitute that one. Q minus 2 into 2 minus 19, which is equal q equal minus 19 plus 4 minus 50. So we got P is 2, Q is minus 15. Therefore, we got the values P equal to 2 as well as Q equal to minus 15. Here we got P and Q values. Now, let us solve the equation x cube minus 19x plus 30. Now, good part of the question, f of x is f of x equal x cube minus 19x plus 30 equal to 0. That f of x already we got a 3 is a, because f of 3 we got it as f of 3 is 0, therefore x minus 3 is a factor. So we have to divide this f of x by x minus 3 by synthetic division. Coefficient of x cube is 1, coefficient of x square is 0, coefficient of x is 19 minus 19, constant is 30. X minus 3 is a factor, means you have to put it x is here 3, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, then adding 3 plus 0 is 3, and 3 into 3 is 9, adding is minus 10, multiplying is minus 30, 0, that remainder is 0. Therefore, you can write the other factor as 1 into x is x square, 1 into x square is x square plus 3 into x minus 10 equal to 0. The quadratic factorizing, we can get it x plus 5 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, we can get it x equal to minus 5 and or x equal to 2. Therefore, the solution of this equation, originally x equal to x is 2, 3 already we have, and minus 5. 2, 3 minus 5. Then, without further calculation, we have to sketch the curve. Look at here. You can sketch the curve by using now we have the points here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Look at here, these are the points x equal to 2, 3, minus 5. X is 2, 0, x is 2 and y is 0, x is 3, y is 0, and x is minus 5, y is 0. Therefore, the curve, what you have to draw, that curve crosses through these 3 points in x-axis, as well as we have x is, y is 30 when x is 30 when x is 0. Therefore, it crosses also x is 0 at y-axis this. So we have to join these points with smooth curve, and also in between 2 and 3, suppose you are taking x is minus 2.5, also x is minus 2.5, then y is given as minus 1.8. That means you are substituting the original equation as x equal to minus 2 pi, we get y is minus 1.8. Then this one, approximate. Now we draw a smooth curve joining this is a smooth curve by joining these 3 points. Now we have done that question. Next question. Here, question number. Now, next question will do with here, for example, which is given f of x is given as x power 4 minus 5x square plus 2x equal to 0. Then here they give x equal to 2 is the root of this equation. Show x equal to 2 is the root of this equation, x equal to 2. That means you have to substitute f of 2 power 4 minus 5 into 2 square plus 2 into 2. 16 minus 2 power 2 is 4, that is minus 20 plus 4 equal to 0. So f of 2 equal to 0, therefore the remainder is 0, therefore x minus 2 is a factor. We show first one, x minus 2 is a factor of this function. Now we have to get root of this equation and write down the another integer root. Now we have to do synthetic division. Here that original equation is x power 4, the coefficient is 1, x cube is 0 because there is no x cube, that is minus 5 plus 2. Then x minus 2 is a factor, means you can put 2 here. 2 into 0 is 2, adding is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, minus 5 plus minus 1, minus 2, that remainder is 0. Therefore, another thing is 2x square minus x equal to 0 is another factor. Then solving this, x is 2x minus 1 equal to 0 gives x equal to 0 and x equal to half. X equal to 0 and write another integer root. Here x equal to 0 and x equal to half. Here integer root is x equal to 0. Another integer root equal to 0. Then first root is 2 and the other root is 0. Then to another integer root, but we'll do and another real root you can find also. Find the real roots means what is something mistake here. Here only have to put. Then x square plus 2x minus 1 is the other factor. Then by solving by quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus minus root p square is 4 minus 4ac. 4 into 4 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4 by 2. Minus 2 plus or minus root 8 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 2 is common. Minus 1 plus or minus root 8 we can do as 2 root 2. Then 2 go out, root 2 by 2. So, minus 1, then other roots, the real roots. Therefore, roots are first root x equal to 2, x equal to 0, x equal to 0 is one root, x equal to 2, and other root is minus 1 plus or minus root 2. There are 4 roots involved. From these roots, we can sketch the figure if you want. Next question. Here, look at next question. Here, one figure is given, sketch is given. Look at this example. Look at the sketch. Here, minus 1, minus 2, and here the point C and 1. Look at this figure. Some sketch is drawn and given. Sketch is then like. Now, from this sketch, point C is here. We have to find first equation is given y as x plus a into x plus a plus x plus a x minus x plus a x minus b the square is given. From this 0 comma c is a point, and look at here, this 0 comma c is a point as well as 1 and 0 is the 2 points. Here 0 comma c and 1 comma 0 is the other point. Therefore, y equal x is 1, suppose 0 or y equal 0, x equal 1, x equal to minus 2. Zero comma c means here first it passes through 0 comma c, we can get it. Therefore, y equal c, x is 0, a and 0, b the square. Therefore, c equal a minus b whole square is b square. C equal to ab square. Then, if minus 2 and 0 is minus 2 and 0, here minus 2 and 0 and 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0, this point is repeating now. Therefore, we can say write the equation y equal x plus a into x minus b the square. It's repeating x minus b the factor. Therefore, y equal to 0 when x is minus 2 and y equal to 0 when x is 1, because it's a repeating root. Here x minus b, 1 minus b the square. Therefore, from this a equal to 2 and 1 minus b whole square equals 0. Therefore, 1 minus b is also 0. Therefore, b equal to 1, and substitute in the relation c equal to ab square. Therefore, c equal to ab square, which is equal a is 2, b is 1. Therefore, we get values a equal to 2, b equal to 1, and c equal to 2. We got 3 values. Then a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to 2. So far we discussed about some solving problem regarding remainder and factor theorem. Also we had done with sketching the curve with given points. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.